Hi guys, Pam here. Welcome to my channel. My channel is about the holidays and how to celebrate.
This video is part of my Holiday Kitchen series, and today I'm talking about mulled wine. So come on in, guys. When I was a young girl, I had no idea what mulled wine was, but I was familiar with mulled cider because it was traditional in my family. Once Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas rolled around, that was the season for the apples and apple cider, so we drank hot mulled cider. But I didn't even know mulled wine existed. But as an adult, I found out about mulled wine. And now I look forward to the season every year when it's time to drink mulled wine again. Now I know most people drink mulled wine at Christmas time, and mulled wine is popular all around the world. Many countries drink mulled wine. And if you're not familiar with mulled wine, it's also known as a spiced wine. It's an alcoholic drink, and it's always made with red wine, and it's made with mullein spices. Now, some parts of the world like to put raisins in their mulled wine. Now, I've never drank it like that before, but many of you probably have. But you serve mulled wine hot or warm. But it's very traditional to drink this drink during the winter season, especially around Christmas time. Now, mulled wine is made with mullein spices. And mullein spices is a spice mixture used in many different drink recipes. The ones that come to my mind are hot apple cider, glog, wassail. Those are other drinks that are popular during the winter season or the holiday season. But a mulled drink is a drink which has been prepared with these mullein spices. Now, different parts of the world will use different mullein spices, but the most common mullein spices are things like cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg, marjoram, cardamom. Some parts of the world likes long pepper, some likes mace, but many people likes different percentages of each one. So it's one of those things that you just have to play around with and see which ones you like the most and the flavor that you like the most. Some people actually put a sprig of rosemary in it. I don't put rosemary in mine, but I have tried it before. But some people enjoy that taste. But usually the main spice character in this drink is usually the cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. Oh, the star anise, I forgot about that. That's in it, real popular too. Now in America here, we call it star anise, but the British call it star anise, right? Now when it comes to the fruit, most everybody uses apples and oranges, and some is popular with a bit of honey boiled in the wine too. Now, some people say to do a fast boil, and then some people say to do a slow simmer. Yep, it's mulled wine time. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. I hope you all enjoy this holiday season and drink plenty of warm and cozy drinks. Bye-bye. Happy holidays, everyone.